Hey everybody, it's me, Russ, and I am selling my fuel pump. Just so you know. I know, it's exciting, right? Selling a fuel pump. This is going on the YouTube page. But I gotta sell the fuel pump. I've had it for a few months. I pulled it in order to change the fuel pump in my van, and it turns out it was the wrong size. So I pulled it out of a Grand Caravan. My standard Caravan has a smaller gas tank, so it wasn't the proper size. I did look up the part number, and that will be on the page there. This is for a 2005 through 2007 Grand Caravan or Town and Country. I've already boxed it up. I'll probably put it in another box just so it doesn't get damaged as well. I will put it in another box. Not probably. I want to make sure I get you the part without it being broken. So, if you're interested in this part, it's reused, but it came from a... What was that? Anyway, here's my tools and that whole situation. It's Memorial Day as I film this, by the way. Hot water tank. Anyway, giving you a tour now. 2005 through 2007 Dodge Caravan or Town and Country is what this will fit in. It's elongated. It's a longer one than mine, and it is for a larger gas tank. I took a picture of the top of it, but yeah, it fits in those vehicles, and I will sell it for $80, including shipping domestically here in the United States. All right, I don't want to ship it outside the United States, simply because it's a used fuel pump. It may still have some gasoline residue in it, right? But I've wrapped it in a plastic bag. I'll put this box here probably in another plastic bag, right? So that I can ship it within the country. If it goes outside the country, it's probably going to get flagged for smelling like gasoline, because it's a used fuel pump, right? I can try to get all the gas out of it, but that's what's going to happen. So, yes. Fuel pump used. It came out of a wrecked Dodge Caravan. If you want to send it back, if it doesn't work, I will take it back. But tested it, put some wires on it, it starts working. So there's nothing wrong with it. It works. It's good used fuel pump. So if you're interested, eBay, whatever, contact me. I'll ship it off to you. Bye.